Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Adam.
How are you today, Adam?
I'm doing great. So happy to be here with you and everyone. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. Ready for another fun episode?
Me too.
Before we start, we want to say a big thank you for listening.
Yes, and if you like our channel, please share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us a lot.
It truly does. Thank you so much.
All right, today's topic is a fun one.
We're going to talk about things we like to do.
Yes, in English, a very common question is, what do you like to do?
A perfect question to get to know someone.
Absolutely. So, let's begin. Yes, in English, a very common question is, what do you like to do?
I like many things. For example, I like reading books. I read different genres, but I especially enjoy short stories and travel books.
That sounds nice. I like reading too. When do you usually read?
I usually read in the evening, when the house is quiet. A cup of tea and a good book make a perfect evening for me.
That sounds peaceful. I also like walking in nature. Sometimes I wake up early and watch the sunrise while walking. It gives me energy for the whole day.
I like that too. I enjoy walking along the river or in the park. It helps me clear my mind.
How often do you walk?
Around 4 or 5 times a week. How about you?
I try to walk every day, even if it's just a short walk. By the way, Adam, do you like music?
I love music. I listen to many kinds, but jazz is my favorite. It's so relaxing.
I love music too. I really enjoy acoustic songs. Music can change my mood very quickly.
Speaking of things I enjoy, I also like cooking. I like trying new recipes and cooking simple but delicious meals.
That's great. I enjoy baking on weekends. I bake bread or cookies, and the whole house smells wonderful.
That sounds amazing. I would love to try your cookies someday.
Anytime. What about sports? Do you like any sports?
I like swimming. It relaxes my whole body. How about you?
I play badminton sometimes with friends. I'm not very good, but I enjoy it.
That's the important part. Sports should be fun.
True. Are there things you don't like?
I don't like crowded places. I prefer small groups and quiet places.
Same here. I feel more comfortable in small gatherings. What about traveling?
I love traveling. I like exploring big cities, local markets, and museums.
I enjoy small coastal towns with good food and a calm atmosphere.
Both kinds of places have their own charm.
They do. Adam, is there something you would like to learn someday?
Yes, I would like to learn photography. It seems like a beautiful way to capture moments.
That's wonderful. I would love to learn to play the violin.
It looks difficult, but very beautiful.
Photography and music both require patience, but they're worth it.
I agree. What are some other things you like doing during your day?
I often listen to music while cooking. It helps me relax.
I usually cook dinner at home, too, though sometimes I eat out with friends.
Do you have any pets, Sarah?
Yes, I have a cat. She's playful and sweet, and I enjoy spending time with her.
I have a dog named Milo. I love walking him in the evening.
Pets make life warmer, don't they?
Absolutely. They bring joy in such simple ways.
It seems like both of us enjoy calm, meaningful activities.
Yes, and it's interesting how small things like music, pets, and walking can make a day better.
I completely agree.
Adam, what small things make your day better?
Little things like a warm cup of coffee in the morning, hearing a favorite song, or receiving a message from a friend. Those small moments make me happy.
I feel the same. Simple moments can bring so much comfort. What about your weekends? How do you usually spend your weekend mornings?
I like sleeping a bit longer, then making a slow breakfast. After that, I usually read the news and plan a walk for later.
That sounds peaceful. My weekends are calm too. I often do a little cleaning, then go swimming or meet a friend for tea.
I enjoy meeting friends for board games or coffee. Those small social moments make my weekend enjoyable.
I like joining volunteer activities sometimes. Helping at a library or a community garden gives me a feeling of purpose.
That's really nice. I like doing small acts of kindness too when I can.
What about creative hobbies? Do you enjoy anything artistic?
I like writing small journal entries each week. It helps me reflect and remember special moments.
That's a meaningful habit. I enjoy sketching quickly. It's simple, and I don't worry about perfection.
Creative hobbies don't need to be complicated. A few minutes a day is enough.
Exactly. Sarah, when you talk to new people, what do you usually ask about?
I often ask about their hobbies or daily routines. It helps me understand what they enjoy. What about you?
I usually ask about their favorite music or what they like to do on weekends.
That's a good way to connect. Food is also an interesting topic. What kind of food do you like, Adam?
I like spicy food, but I don't like very sweet dishes. What about you?
I prefer mild flavors, but I really enjoy trying new spices from different countries.
Food tells a lot about different cultures.
It really does. What about technology? How do you spend your screen time?
I like watching short videos that teach me something new.
I enjoy audiobooks during long drives or walks. They help me learn without staring at a screen.
That's a great balance. By the way, Sarah, what do you usually do after work?
I like cooking a simple dinner. listening to soft music and relaxing. What about you?
I like taking a short walk after work. It helps me switch off from the work mood.
Do you cook every night?
Not every night, but pretty often.
Is there something you want to learn in the future?
Yes, I want to learn Italian. I love the sound of the language. What about you?
I want to learn guitar someday.
That suits you.
Thank you. Sometimes learning something new feels challenging, but the idea is exciting.
True. Even dreaming about future skills can bring motivation.
True. Adam, what books or entertainment do you enjoy in the evenings?
Sometimes I watch relaxing TV series. Other nights, I listen to podcasts.
I like listening to soft music before bed. It makes the day feel complete.
It's interesting how we both enjoy calm evenings.
Yes, peaceful routines help us rest and recharge.
I think many people enjoy simple things, cooking at home, spending time with pets, listening to music.
And those things are what make life feel warm and meaningful.
I agree. It's the small moments that matter most.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!